For a moment I had to go outside to take a bit of a breather, and because I really have headache already. Fantastic stuff. My new lovely bike, this beautiful huge railway bridge. Love my new motorbike. Now everything fixed, baby red. Let's go, go, go. And I'm pretty sure it was the best cappuccino in my life. A wonderful good morning in Savadi Krap here from Hua Hin, Thailand. I bought this lovely motorbike only 8 days ago here in Hua Hin from the local motorbike dealer. Had some problems with the rattling handlebars like death wobble or shimmy effect already. They tried to fix it in the workshop and it got 80% better, but it's not 100% yet. And as it is a brand new bike, 100 would be nice. So today I will drive about a 30-minute ride south to Pran Buri, where they have another Honda motorbike workshop and they have a balancing machine to balance the wheel. Let's do this and then let's have a nice day in Pran Buri, which is a very nice region south of Hua Hin, and I really love it and I cannot wait to explore it a little bit more together with you guys and do the first proper road trip with my new Honda Click 160. So let's drive to Pran Buri, but give my laundry first for washing. Did you feel the laundry already?
Yeah.
ขอบคุณมากครับ สบายดีไหม
สบายดีค่ะ
Today go to Pran Buri.
Oh.
Right, one pack of laundry, 205 baht, ironing included. And now let's go, go, go. Go to Pran Buri with my lovely scooter. Pran Buri already, look what I discovered here. Let's have a closer look. Wow. Lovely, no? Wow. Ui. Big small Buddha or small big Buddha. Somewhere in between that one. Look at this. What a lovely morning atmosphere here in Pran Buri. I absolutely love it. There we go. There's the big building in the morning sun. Oh, so lovely. Wow. It's a quite big one and beautiful. But the Thai temples are almost always beautiful, aren't they? What an amazing railway bridge. Absolutely fantastic stuff. Amazing Thailand! Go, 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 go! Absolutely lovely. And the bridge reflecting in the river. Fantastic stuff. My new lovely bike, this beautiful huge railway bridge, this absolutely gorgeous river here. And what I just discovered right there is a cafe. I hope it's open. Let's check it out. Before we go to the Honda motorbike workshop here in Pran Buri. Haven't had a morning cafe yet and it's about time. Looks like we're lucky, open 8:30. Open? สวัสดีครับสบายดีไหมสบายดีค่ะคาเฟ่สวยมากสวยมากคาเฟ่อเมริกาโน่ร้อนโอเค
เป็นแก้วทานหรือว่าแก้วเลยค่ะ
Sorry
Drink here or
drink here ราคาเท่าไหร่ About 45 baht โอเคครับผม Actually, I only ordered the coffee, but she gave me a tea for free, which is very nice. Right, let's try tea first. Hot but good. Alright. Good coffee. Right, coffee finished. Can highly recommend Sapandam Pran Buri Cafe. And now let's go to the Pran Buri Honda workshop and see if they can fix my problem and balance my wheel. Honda Motorbike Workshop, Pran Buri. Still more heavy here. We have 3 weights already. 3 weights already and still not balanced. So we need to find another solution. So maybe we try a new tire now. Man, this is not good for my nerves. I have headache. Kriat mak mak. And I always in Germany already. You know, I have a new car, a new Porsche, a new motorbike. And there's some problem. You go to the workshop and they're not careful, they make some scratch and sometimes they don't know what they're doing, even in Germany. But I tell you, here in Thailand, that's a whole other level. For a moment I had to go outside to take a bit of a breather, and because I really have headache already. Kriat mak mak! Rim only, same problem. Exactly, stop here. Same before with the tire. We balanced the rim only. This is good. Only 5 grams, but it's kind of okay. So we know the big problem was from the tire, and now we get a new tire. Get a new tire. Right, finally get my new tire to fix the problem. Oh my god, what I just discovered here. Kriat mak mak, my headache exploding. Right, finally the wheel is balanced with a new tire fitted already. While the boss, by the way, very nice guy, and he helping me a lot. Just forgot about the name right now, but anyway, Kopuma Grab, thank you very much. He's in his deserved lunch break now, and they take care of the bike a bit more.
Beat my verses till they stuck in me, insulin. Kill it, I heard some work, I bust my legs in the interim, chasing sky.
Okay, what they said, and it makes sense, of course. There are these cables inside here. They are just moving through that and are connected somehow to the steering. And when you steer, you have to move the cables. So this is why it does not feel perfectly free. Right, finally job done. Got rid of the old tire because that was not 100%. Balance the rim without tire to make sure the rim is good. Put a new tire and balance the whole wheel again. And finally checked again the new installed steering head bearing. This should be perfectly fine as well. So we are good to go. Only the new tire I have to think about again. I have to run it in again, be carefully, because new tire always slippery. And that's dangerous, especially in the front. And now I'm really hungry. So let's head to Pran Buri beach, where we hopefully can get a nice breeze from the sea. Noontime, it's getting so hot in Thailand. Love my new motorbike. Now everything fixed, baby red. Let's go, go, go. Wow, look at this. Woo! Guys, can you see that? Absolutely mind-bogglingly brilliant view over the sea. Oh, the white horses, see the waves, the wind. Oh, get a very nice breeze here. Lovely, the breeze from the sea. And over there, I think there's like a fishing boat harbor. Let's check there. Ooh, smell the fish, smell the fish. Like a fresh fish. Let's go here. Restaurant. Check the restaurant. Oh, so beautiful, Swai Mark. You see this? Woo! Oi, very sandy here. Very, very sandy. Drive careful. Drive careful in the sand. Don't crash the new bike. What a beautiful place this is.
if I can find my way out.
This is so picturesque.
I'm stuck in a prison of doubt.
I love it.
In this torsion, and everything is growing up tight. There's no room to breathe, and nobody is watching at night. I wanna rise up.
Looks great to me. Let's try food here. Put my crab. Looks delicious. Running egg, maisu. I order like this because I like normally Thai style is more well done, but I like if it's running a bit like a sauce for the rice. Let's try egg and rice. Very good. Try some chicken and chili. Aroy mak, spicy. But I ordered pet, spicy. But anyway, let's put the fish sauce and the chili over it. Wait, very windy. Almost beside the plate. Lovely place here. Now I enjoy my food. On my water is written "Win World." Don't know what this means, but maybe that our world is a win, especially when you're in Thailand. They say thank you, but I say thank you as well, because this restaurant is a real recommendation. And only Thai people there, which is for me always a good sign. And what a beautiful place this is. But now let's go a bit further south and check out Pran Buri Café. Let's have coffee there, because I discovered last week, thought long about it, and I'm pretty sure it was the best cappuccino in my life. So let's have cappuccino there. And maybe I had an eye on the banoffee cake, which looked delicious, but I didn't order last time. But maybe today is the day. So let's go. Pran Buri Café. Wow! Look at this! Woo, 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 woo. Unbelievable stuff. Stunningly beautiful baby red. Fits the rest of beautiful, amazing Thailand very well. Just had to stop very quickly for this view. Isn't it amazing? Lovely. Lovely bird. But now let's go. Pran Buri Coffee. Okay, almost at Pran Buri Coffee, but here behind me is just next door Pran Buri Coffee. It's the Sea Times at Pran Hotel, which is a lovely little hotel. I had a look last week, and just sneak a little bit inside here. Have a quick sneak. This is one room, like the terrace, the room. Have like a little pool or jacuzzi there, like a very nice. So this is a lovely hotel, and by the way, right now I'm earning zero money with YouTube, and not through ads, and also not through recommendations or from hotels or cafes. Everything I recommend is just from my heart, because I really like it. I like what I see. I haven't been to this hotel like resident, but I've just seen it, had a look around, and had a look in 2 rooms, and it looks lovely. And now let's check next door neighbor, Pran Buri Coffee. There is already Pran Buri Coffee. สวัสดีครับสบายดีไหมสบายดีค่ะสบายดีนะคะสบายดีขอบคุณมากครับ Got a free welcome drink, and just write down what you want and wait for the magic. Oh, look aroy. ขอบคุณมากครับครับ Guys, look at this. I think this is the best cappuccino I ever had. At least was last week like this. Let's try again. Try chocolate first. Chocolate and cream. Wow. Absolutely lovely. Try coffee inside. Perfect coffee as well. Absolutely spot on. Delicious. And now let's try this cute little banoffee pie. Perfect. Very, very, very good. So lovely, but to be honest guys, I deserve it. After all the hassle and headache and kriyat mak with my motorbike in the last days, and now everything sorted out, I think motorbike good to go for now. And lovely cappuccino and banoffee pie. Ooh. Okay guys, that was my video for today. I hope you enjoyed, you learned a thing or two, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for the video, and as always, very important down there, click the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, and you will get more stories from amazing Thailand soon. And also, if you have an idea or a story to share, please comment on this video. That being said, see you in the next one. Have a good one, and goodbye.